Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2025. And I've already solved. No, we have here 7 puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon, so total of 7 puzzles. That's a lot for a day. Alright, the 3 stars puzzle number 9, 8, 6, 4. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, this one is 30. I think it's a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. No, sorry, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yes, for 3 stars. Alright, is this really a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the second column? So the first column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, need the 8 here. Need the 8 here. Need the 8 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 6, 7. Then we need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. 4 there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row the only page left before should be there. 1, 7, yeah, 3 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, 9. Get 5, we have 6 here or there. 3, 4. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. Come on, come on. Alright, 5 minutes already passed. Almost passed, yes. Let me see. Need a 9 here. 9 there. 9 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column that's the only two places level 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 8, 1. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 1. 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And I need a 2 here. And I need an 8 here. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 3 places left with 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 1, 6, 7. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left with 8 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left with 7 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above from that row, the only 2 places left with 3 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in these two boxes, so the 9 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these two boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this box, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6 then, okay. Need an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 1, 8, and then need a 2 here. Come on, 2s. 2, need a 2 there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, and the last column, only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 2, 9. 6, 2, 9, 6, 2, 2. 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, from the third row, the only 2 places left. 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9, 9, okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 3 places left with the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in one of those 3 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 6. Yeah. 2. This one is not easy. I need a 7 here. 7. Come on. 7. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left with 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this one, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2. Need a 3, 7. 1. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left with 9 could be here, could be there. 4, need a 4 here. 4, need a 4 here. How about the 3s? Need a 3 here. 4 here. 3, 4. How about the 6? 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3, cube here, cube there. 3, 3 need a 3 here. 4, 4 need a 4 here. 1, 6, 7. 3, 2, and 4. 3, 2, and 4. 3, 2, and 4. 3, 2, and 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. Column 3, no, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3, cube here, cube there. This one is a hard one. I need a 2 here. Where are the 2s? We have a triplet here. In this box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. The 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes together with the 8, together with the 7. So if we eliminate here the 3, so 3 should be there then. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, okay. 8, 8, need 8 here. 2 and the 8 are left. 1, 6, 7, 1. So this box should be 6 or 7. 1 or 7. There's 7 here. Come on. I need a 4 here. 4, 3. Need a 2 and a 6 here. No 2. No 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 and a 7. 4, 6 and a 7. Here can be 6. Could be a 6. Could be a 6. 4, 6, 7. Here can be 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, and 1 and 2, 7, 1 and 6. 2, 7, 1 and 6. 2, 7, 1 and 6. Come on. Need an 8 here. Well, we need an 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Okay. And 1, 7. The other 2 should be the 2 and a 6. 1, 7. 2 and a 6. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. 1. Need a 2. Need a 3. No. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 7. We have a 2 here. So here can be 2. The 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So 1 digit left in this column for the 7. 7. Need 1 and a 7. We have a 7 here. So this should be a 1. That box should be a 7. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Or there. 2 and a 1. So the other 2 should be the 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7. The 7 should be here. 4 goes there. I need a 4 in the last column. 4 and that comes to the column 3. Now only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So these 3 should be the 1, 6, and the 2. 1, 6, and the 2. 4, 3. Oh, here can be 2. We have a 2 here. So the 1, 2, and the 6. We have a 1 and a 2 here, so this box should be the 6 then. So the 1 and the 2 are left here. Here also 1 and a 2. 1, 2, and 8. Okay. 1, 1. Here should be the 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the last column, so this box should be 1. This box should be a 2. 2 and an 8 are left. Okay. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 and 8, and then 9. We have an 8 here. Okay. 1, 1. Need a here. 7, 7, 7. 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 4, 3, and 4, 3, and 2. I need a 2 here. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes with 6. We have a 6 here. This can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So column between only 2 places left. The 6 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes in with 4. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this picture. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have here 1, 6, 7. 1 and a 7. So this box should be a 6. So the other 2 should be 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, so this box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. Mark those 2 boxes in with a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. Okay. 4 and a 3. I need a 4 here. And we have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 should be here. I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 should be there then. I eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and an 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 and an 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers 4 and a 3. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no, 2 stars. Yeah, let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it in full by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.